I thought I'd heard pretty much every kind of AI voice by now, but FineVoice made me stop and listen twice. Not because it sounded perfect, because for certain voices I had to remind myself I was listening to AI. So I wanted to put it through a real test. Would FineVoice actually hold up for a YouTube voiceover, or does it only sound good in short demos? I started with a script I could realistically use in a video. That matters because almost any AI voice can sound impressive when it's reading 2 sentences. The real test is a longer paragraph with questions, pauses, different emotions, and words that aren't exactly easy to pronounce. That's when you start hearing whether the voice actually feels natural. FineVoice gives you a bunch of different voice options and tools to experiment with, which is probably where creators will get the most value. If you are making faceless videos, shorts, tutorials, ads, or explainer content, you can test different voices without having to record yourself every time. And if you don't like the first result, you can simply try another voice instead of re-recording the entire script. But here's the thing I noticed. Natural doesn't mean perfect. Some voices sound surprisingly convincing, while others still have that slight AI rhythm. And sometimes the pronunciation is fine, but the emotion feels a little too controlled. You might not notice it in a 10-second sample, but after listening for several minutes, those little differences become obvious. That's why I wouldn't choose a voice just because it sounds amazing in the preview. I generate a full section of your actual script and listen to it without looking at the screen. If you can get through the entire thing without constantly thinking, that's AI, then you've probably found something useful. For creators, there's another advantage here: speed. If you're producing multiple videos every week, recording every voiceover can become one of those small tasks that quietly eats hours. An AI voice won't replace everything, but it can remove a lot of that friction. I also wouldn't skip the boring stuff. If you're using FineVoice for monetized videos, client work, ads, or business content, check the current licensing and commercial use terms for the voice and plan you're using. That's something you want to know before publishing, not afterward. So, does FineVoice sound shockingly real? For some voices, yeah, I think it gets surprisingly close. But I'd still test it with your own script before deciding whether it's good enough for your channel. Because the real test isn't whether I think it sounds human, it's whether your viewers notice. Would you replace your own voice with an AI voice if it sounded this natural? Comment below and tell me, AI voice or your real voice.